The world of motorsports is on the cusp of a revolution, and Alpine is at the forefront with the Alpenglow Hy4. This isn't just another racing prototype, it's the embodiment of a vision of high performance, sustainable racing achieved through hydrogen combustion engine technology. The story of the Hy4 began at the 2022 Paris Motor Show with the unveiling of the Alpine Alpenglow concept car. This concept wasn't just a showstopper, it was a declaration of intent. It showcased Alpine's unwavering commitment to sustainable innovation and its exploration of hydrogen combustion engines for future sports cars. The Alpenglow represented the mother of all future Alpines, a testament to the brand's ambition to achieve peak performance while adhering to strict decarbonization targets. Fast forward to today, and the Alpenglow concept has transformed into a roaring reality, the Alpine Alpenglow Hy4. This isn't a mere concept gathering dust, it's a full-fledged rolling laboratory designed and built to withstand the rigors of the racetrack. The heart of the Hy4 lies in its revolutionary power plant, a hydrogen combustion engine. This technology offers a groundbreaking approach to reducing emissions in motorsports and has the potential to pave the way for a new generation of sustainable sports cars. The current iteration features a powerful 2.0-liter, four-cylinder engine with a turbocharger, generating a thrilling 340 horsepower. This is just the beginning, though. Alpine is already developing a bespoke V6 engine specifically designed to run on hydrogen, promising even more power and exhilaration in the future. The wait is over. In May 2024, the Alpine Alpenglow Hy4 emerged from the shadows and onto the hallowed grounds of the Spa-Francorchamps circuit. This wasn't just a presentation, it was a declaration. The Hy4 wasn't there to be admired from afar, it was there to perform. It was there to prove that hydrogen combustion engines could deliver the heart-pounding performance that racing enthusiasts crave. The Hy4's debut wasn't just about speed, it was about shattering perceptions. The energetic roar of the engine shattered the misconception that sustainable technology has to be silent. The Hy4 demonstrated that the visceral thrill of a racing car can coexist with environmental responsibility. This wasn't a one-off performance. The Hy4 is set to take center stage once again at the prestigious 24 Hours of Le Mans in June 2024. Here, it will participate in demonstration runs, showcasing its prowess and potential to a wider audience. The Alpine Alpenglow Hy4 is more than a racing prototype, it's a window into the future of motorsports. It's a testament to Alpine's unwavering belief in the potential of hydrogen combustion engines. Bruno Famin, VP Alpine Motorsports, echoes this sentiment. He emphasizes Alpine's view of hydrogen combustion engines as a promising solution for achieving decarbonization in motorsports, potentially extending to Formula One cars with advancements in liquid hydrogen storage for enhanced compactness and performance. The Hy4's design transcends its function as a racing machine, it hints at the stylistic evolution of future Alpine cars. The sleek lines and aggressive stance embody the brand's commitment to both innovation and timeless design. The Alpine Alpenglow Hy4 is a roaring success story, a story of transformation, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of sustainable performance. It's a story that has only just begun, and the future of motorsports looks electrifying, thanks to the pioneering spirit of Alpine.